In front of me is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select one of your chats. Now click on this icon with a camera and a photo at the bottom left corner. Finally, you can click on your photos right away to add them, or select Gallery section and select them from here. You can also click on Folders, hold one of your pictures that you wish to add, and tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my photos were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!